guys, so today I wanted to film a video of me just trying out this silicone beauty blender. This is not from the Beauty Blender brand. I don't know where this is from. Someone gave this to me a long time ago and I never tried it, and I wanted to try it out now since I saw that many brands came out with a silicone based one, and I'm not sure if it's like that a good thing. Like, is it actually good? So I wanted to kind of test it out in front of you guys. And I'm also going to use my beauty blender on one side and then this one on the other side and kind of give a test and see what's the difference, what I like and what I don't like, and so on. For the foundation that I'm going to be using is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm going to be using that, again, with the sponges. I'm actually kind of excited. I already have, like, primer and my moisturizer and everything on. So I don't even know, like, do I dab it on this? Do I dab it on my hand? Do I just put it on my face? Which one should I do? So you guys can see I have some really bad breakouts right now. I'm just going to dab this on my face like this and then just hope that everything is everything is okay. Here it goes. Like, I don't know anything about this really. Like, am I supposed to dab or swipe or what? Like, because usually with my beauty blender, I'll just like dab. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and do that and see what happens. I'm confused because I feel like it looks good, but I'm not sure. Now I feel like I need to do the other side for sure with the beauty blender. At first I was like, wow, what's the point? But now I feel like I have to because I don't. Well, this is where it gets tricky. I have like very defined cut crease on my nose. Like, I have to really pull and really get in those areas. Oh. I'm shook right now because I think I really like the way this looks. Let me do the other side now. I'm so used to the beauty blender. I know that I love the beauty blender. I honestly, before I even like did the review, I was like, I know I'm gonna hate it. Like, I just knew that I was gonna hate it. But now I'm shook because it was not what I was expecting, basically. I thought I was gonna hate it, and now I don't know how I feel about it. I think I added about the same amount to both sides. And they actually look about the same. I will say, I don't know if it's just me being dry, because even with the beauty blender on this side, I have a little bit of like crusty. This side, I have a little bit of crusty. But on my pore areas, it's about the same. It's about the same. I thought that me applying this side with the beauty blender was like gonna make my pores stand out, but it really didn't. I mean, there's a couple pores right there, but I don't know if like I'm just so shook because it looks about like, if you guys didn't know, I feel like it would look like I applied my foundation with just like the same, brush or so. On camera, I don't know. I honestly don't know now. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how I feel. Cause like, I don't hate it, but I'm not like, oh my god, I love it, but I don't hate it. And I think the idea is pretty cool too, because this would be super easy to sanitize and to just wash off and everything. I'm having a really hard time cleaning out my beauty blender because it'll still have like a stain of like my old foundation or whatever I used to blend out. I do feel like you're not going to be spending so much product when you apply with this, kind of blender. I don't know what to call it. What, silicone blender? Is that what it's called? I don't feel like you would be wasting your product because I feel like the product soaks up with the actual beauty blender. It kind of soaks it up a little bit. Not too much, but it does. And I feel like if I were to apply maybe another later, it would give me a little bit more coverage just because it's nowhere. Like, this doesn't have any holes for it to soak up the product. Should I apply concealer just to kind of see? Because, I mean, are you really going to buy, like, this just to apply your foundation? You know what I mean? Like, that's just being super extra. So let me go ahead and, I mean, I didn't do the best job applying my foundation because I'm not going to be doing the rest of my makeup, you know. I just want to see. And I don't want to spend so much product right now with my concealer, you know. But, let's see. I don't even remember what, I don't even remember what side I used. I don't know if it even matters. Because, like, this one here is, like, super flat. But then do you see how, like, this side is more, I don't know. Does it matter? I don't know. I'm just going to use the chubby side. It's just a weird feeling when you're, like, blending this out. So, and it just sounds funny. Because the Beauty Blender, I don't use it dry. I usually always use it damp. So it feels nice on the skin because it gives it like a cooling effect. And it feels like it's actually blending into the skin. And I think that with this side, I don't know. Oh, do you guys see that? Well, in general, usually this side takes more concealer than this one. So I don't want to judge it based on like, oh, this one looks a little bit brighter. I just think in general, this side takes up more concealer. Like it makes it look more like this versus this side. I feel like on this side of my face, it feels more like breathable. Versus on this side of my face, I feel like I actually have like product on my skin. Like I actually have foundation and stuff on my skin. Let me see if I were to blend this out with this. I want to see if it's going to feel any different. If it's in my head where it's like, oh, this one feels a little bit like I have something on my face versus on this one. I don't even know now what to say about the products because I'm just shook. I really thought I was going to hate it, but it actually did a decent job in applying it. And I'm so used to just using a sponge to blend out my foundation that it just seems a little bit weird to use like a silicone thing. But I feel like this is actually pretty good. Like it's pretty good. And I feel like because I'm not used to it, I would probably use this to like do like on my foundation and concealer. But then I would go over it with this just to be safe. But it did pretty freaking good. Like I'm surprised. Like it did really freaking good. If I wasn't so used to this, I think I'd be fine. I'd be like, yeah, girl, get it. But because I'm so used to this, I'm like a little bit nervous to be like go purchase this. Like I'm not saying don't go purchase it, but like I don't know. You know what? It's good. It's good. I just don't know too much details to say like, oh, it did this and this and that. But because of my skin, it did good. It did really pretty freaking good. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't know what else to say, guys. But let me know down below, do you guys own a silicone-based beauty blender? Have you tried it? Have you not? If you do, let me know down below. Do you like it? Do you hate it? How did it work on your skin? Comment down below. Let me know. Make sure to also hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.